What's up, everybody? This is Blue Hair Dave, and I have a big announcement to make. We have a contest winner, and I'm going to announce the winner of my full BHD plan course, which, just off the top of my head, covers basically how I have done affiliate marketing over the past decade or so, but particularly the last 2 to 4 years of getting my own leads, building up huge email lists, and doing that through Facebook marketing and other means, but collecting a huge email list. Really what it does is teach you how to do lead generation and get a big email list so that you actually have something to rely on in case your Facebook account goes down or any other reason like that. And it served me really well over the years. My background is email marketing. And so I basically put together the course, and I've had a bunch of students go through the course. And it's really a full mentorship program because I directly help students one-on-one. When you get started, I also have available, basically, it's kind of like a lifetime access to the Facebook group where I'm answering questions. So you can pick my brain once you have the course. So if anybody's interested in that, I'm going to have a sale link below that's going to be for a limited time. So if you are interested in the course and you're looking for a way to make more money online or start an online business or anything like that, I can show you the way that I've been doing it for a long time. So I'm not some guru that's teaching you like a million different ways. This is exactly how I make a living, and I show you the techniques that I'm using to make my living. And it really revolves around, like I said, email marketing and collecting big email lists, which is really just lead generation. Because when it comes down to everything, what's the most important thing if you're online with marketing? It's lead generation. It's generating sales and leads to get sales. Traffic. How can you get traffic for less that converts better? And these are my techniques towards that. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you who the winner is. And I did a drawing of everybody who made comments. And there was 3 words that I had for people to talk about how characteristics of persistence and execution that I think are really important for an entrepreneur or anybody who's trying to achieve their goals, whether it's athletic or business or otherwise. And this person has followed just about all of my videos and commented on every single one. And that is Zap Lico. Congratulations. You just won the course. So it's free, and it's a $9.97 course when it's on sale. So I do have a special price for everybody who is watching this video right now, and that'll be for a limited time. So check the link below and go ahead and sign up. And once again, you get actually mentorship help with me on your mobile phone. You can actually text me or communicate verbally. It's kind of like a voicemail, and I'll answer you when I get to it or immediately. And that's good for 2 months in the course. You also get access, like I said, to the private Facebook group where I'm the one answering questions for people. So I'm really actively involved with everybody when they're in the course. So congratulations, and I'll be getting a hold of you very shortly, and get a hold of me. And we will talk. And that's it. So Zaplico is the winner. And I'm going to be doing, good news too, I'm going to do another one of these giveaways. And this giveaway is going to be reach a larger audience base. And I'm going to see how well it does and see if we can't do another in the future. But, so my checkout for my next videos, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Then you'll know when I'm launching the new giveaway contest. And so everybody have a great day, and I will talk to you later. And check the link below if you want to get a really big discount on signing up for the same course that I just had the giveaway for. Take care. Bye-bye.